Hello everyone, and welcome to our video, Fascinating Feathered Friends, Discovering the World of Birds. Today we will explore the incredible world of birds, with their vibrant colors, unique behaviors, and amazing adaptations. Let's dive in. Birds come in every color of the rainbow, from the vibrant blue of the blue jay to the brilliant red of the cardinal. Their mesmerizing plumage not only helps them attract mates, but also acts as a form of camouflage to blend in with their surroundings. But it's not just their beauty that makes birds fascinating. They have an incredible ability to fly, thanks to their lightweight bones and powerful wings. Watching a flock of birds soaring through the sky is a truly awe-inspiring sight. Did you know that birds are also exceptional architects? Some species build intricate and sturdy nests using materials like twigs, leaves, and even spider webs. These nests provide a safe haven for their eggs and chicks. And speaking of chicks, the bond between parent birds and their offspring is truly heartwarming. Many bird species take turns caring for their young, showing dedication and love as they feed, protect, and teach them essential life skills. Birds also have unique behaviors like courtship dances and elaborate mating displays. From the fascinating mating dances of the American woodcock to the flamboyant plumage displays of the bird of paradise, these rituals are a testament to the wonders of nature. But birds aren't just about beauty and behavior. They play a vital role in our ecosystems. They help control pests by eating insects, pollinate flowers by spreading pollen, and even disperse seeds in their droppings, aiding in the growth of various plant species. In conclusion, birds are truly captivating creatures. From their stunning colors to their extraordinary abilities, they never cease to amaze us. So next time you see a bird soaring through the sky or singing melodiously in a tree, take a moment to appreciate these fascinating feathered friends. Thank you for watching our video on Fascinating Feathered Friends, Discovering the World of Birds. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the avian world. If you'd like to see more amazing content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time.